Here's a quick video on how to invite your accountant or bookkeeper. Let's pretend this is your account. You're the small business owner. Now, click on the gear icon on the right side of your screen. Click on Manage Users. Now, this is where a lot of people mess up. Don't click on Add User. Instead, go to Accounting Firms first. Click on the Invite button. This is where you add your bookkeeper's information. First name, Catherine. Last name, Silverio. And my email address is catherine@silverbulletbookkeeping.com. Now click on the Save button. And easy peasy, your invite has been sent successfully. That's it. I, your bookkeeper, should get an invitation, and once I accept it, I'll be able to see your account from my Pro Advisor account. Thank you for watching.